All right, we have an LG top load washer dryer. It is a 710 TWKS. Oh, excuse me, that's the serial number. WT7200CW. I've looked all over. I couldn't find very many on this, but here's the problem that I encounter. Is whenever it spins, it squeaks. Taking the back off of it, there's just 4 screws and then a metal plate that clips in at the top and the bottom. It's pretty easy to take out. If you look, it has shocks to keep side-to-side movement. One of the articles I saw was if there's not enough lubrication on these, they will squeak. That's not the cause in this case. The cause is actually these pads. They're textured, and they're on the inside of the actual machine itself, and the plastic rubbing against this texture is what you hear squeaking. We'll get into that in a minute. Most of the washers will have clips in the front that you pop. On this particular model, there's 2 screws that go off here and here, and then it lifts up and slides forward. Like I said, it lifts up and slides forward. There are tabs here that the actual underside of this slide into, and then it sets down in the back. So going in from the front doesn't work on this model. Here's where the problem is, and you can kind of see, let me grab my light. You can kind of see where this particular machine has rubbed a pattern on it. Which, there's your squeak. That's the plastic tub up against that textured pad. Over here, I just put a piece of duct tape in. It's no longer textured. It doesn't squeak. It's been driving my wife up a wall for several months, so I decided to take it apart and look at it. That's the quick, easy fix. You can get replacement pads. There's other things you can do. The biggest thing is making sure that it's level, so the tub sits level. Because in theory, it shouldn't ever get to that point if it's nice and good and level. If it's out of balance or if you have a heavy load, you'll get that rub. And it's the plastic against these textured pads is what I've been able to discover. Putting a piece of duct tape on them makes the squeak go away. It's not the most glamorous solution, but it works. Here you can see I put in my piece of duct tape. Like I said, it's not that glamorous, but no squeak, no more.